evening, friends. On behalf of my NGO, Satark Nagrik Foundation, I am Dayanand Nene welcoming you all to this new episode of Consumer Awareness. Satark Nagrik Foundation, which was formerly known as Alert Citizens Forum, is now a registered NGO with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India. And we run various programs for the benefit of consumers throughout the country. This series is a part of the Consumer Awareness Program regarding electrical issues, electricity problems faced by the consumers. Friends, since the past few days in Maharashtra, the Maharashtra government has stirred the hornet's nest by directing the MSEDC to start disconnections of electrical meters of consumers who are defaulting on their regular payments. Today we are going to have a look at this issue of disconnection of your electrical meters. Friends, first of all, you all should be aware that under the Indian Electricity Act, section number 56, it is mandatory on MSEDC or any other electricity supplier to give a notice of 15 days at least to the consumers before disconnecting their electrical meters. The second thing which all the consumers should be aware of is that on 13th of November 2020, the MSEDC has issued a circular which now permits all the consumers to make payments of their defaulted dues in installments. But there is a procedure for that. Post the pandemic, consumers who have not been able to pay their electricity bills can make an application along with their consumer number and electricity bill and pending dues to the electricity supplier. It can be MSEDC, Torrent, Tata or BST, anybody, and make a request that they want to make their payment in installments. While making the application, they have to make a payment of 2% of the total defaulted bill, along with the application to the electricity supplier. Once the supplier approves your request, you are supposed to make another payment of 28% to the electrical supplier. So in all, with the application and after the approval, in total you pay 30% of your electricity dues. The balance 70% can be paid in 12 monthly installments sanctioned by the electrical supplier. Meaning that the electricity supplier will give you a EMI of 12 months along with interest, and you can make the payment which you have defaulted in 12 equal installments. If your bill is only a couple of months old, then the electrical supplier will give you an installment for 3 months. If it is a bigger bill from the pandemic period, you will get an installment for 12 months. And this installment facility is available to all consumers. It can be LT, HT, commercial, residential, any consumer can avail this facility after making a request and a proper sanction from your electricity supplier. Friends, after the pandemic, we have seen a spate of agitations by various political parties that the dues of consumers should be waived off. Just be informed that the government has rejected as of now all these demands made by various political parties and organizations. And as per a Supreme Court judgment, the consumer has to pay his electricity dues. The MSEDC officials or the officials of any other electricity supplier are not authorized to reduce anybody's bills. At best, they can rectify if there is an error in your bill, meaning if your reading is wrong or if there is a calculation error in while computing your bill. In these two circumstances, the electricity suppliers will rectify your bill and give it to you, not reduce it. So don't believe any rumors of anybody. Better to pay your electricity bill on time to avoid disconnection. But on the subject of disconnection, just keep in mind, you have to get a notice first from the electrical supplier. It could be an SMS, it could be an email or a proper letter or even a phone call. Only then they are authorized to disconnect your electrical meter. So if you don't have or you have not received that 15-day notice and the wireman comes to disconnect, you can straightway tell him that please send me a notice of 15 days for disconnection. And if he does not agree, you can go to the nearest office of the electricity supplier and make your request. So this is all for today. See you in the next installment later. Thank you very much.